So let's start with the 2025 October question number 8. So in the question number 8, yeah, we can see they're talking about 3 different ways of going to work, but we know he either go with car or by the bicycle or by he walks. The special thing to notice is if you add all these 3 probabilities, which is half plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 3, you're gonna get 1. That means either out of these 3 options, he will go to the work, there will be no any other option. And let's quickly write the information they are giving us too in a probability question. So it will be important. With the car, it's 1 over 2. Probability of coming with the bicycle is 1 over 6. The probability of walking is 1 over 3. And also in the second part of the question, they are given that the ball is coming from the car, so the probability is given for being late. So if we check probability of being late, given that you're coming with the car is 1 over 5. Probability of being late given that you're coming with the bicycle is 1 over 10. Probability of being late that you're walking, so it's 1 over 20. Okay, so they are asking what's the probability that he is late. Okay, what we can see here is, since there are only 3 options and it doesn't have really anything in the common, so all our scenarios would be, one is car, another one is bicycle, another one is walk. So out of these 3, there's a one scenario of another being late. But when you become late, you either can come with the car, you can walk, and you can also come with a bicycle. So by looking at this, what we can say is the probability of you being late is the probability of being late with car intersection, and you're being late and you're coming with the bicycle, and you're also being late and you're coming by walking. So when we are calculating this, we know anything probability A, this thing, that would give you probability A intersection B divided by probability B. So if we really want to subject probability A intersection B, we would have probability A over B times PB. So this is what we would have. This is the theory part that we have. Okay, similarly into this question, what you can see is, here the probability can be taken as probability you being late given that C, you times it by probability of C, plus probability of late given that bicycle, probability by bicycle, plus the last one. So if we check that, it's gonna be half times 1 over 5 plus 1 over 6 times 1 over 10 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 20. So these are the 3 options that we have. So here we can see the probability is going to be 8 divided by 20, 8 divided by 60, so which will give you 2 divided by 15. So we can say probability of being late is 2 over 15. So if we check the question, that's what they expect us. Okay, So this is how we can easily calculate it. And this also can be done in a tree diagram as well, but this is way easier than that. Now let's come to the next question. Next question, they are saying, given that the poly is late. Okay, now they are saying, okay, the poly is already late. So given that condition is that, then you have to find the probability that it travels by car. Okay, what is that question? Because they are talking about, it's given that it's late and the probability of coming from the car. Now it's bit slightly different. Probability of coming by car given that you're becoming late. So what we would take is, we still have the intersection divided by this time, it's this. You're dividing by late because given that factor is you are already late. So here we know how to get the intersection because we once found the intersection, which is late, and the intersection which is multiplication of these two, which is this value. So we already have it, so we're going to write it like 1 over 2 times 1 over 5 divided by being late is going to be 2 over 15. There is carry forward marks with what you have, so here the answer is going to be 15 over 20, which is 3 over 4. Okay, that gives you this answer too. Now after, then they are saying, hence complete the tree diagram in the page 28 to represent the given information. Okay, page number 28. Okay, now they are giving us a tree diagram. Okay, if I just quickly go through the probabilities. So if we know the late is 2 over 5, this has to be anyway. Here what we have is 1 minus 2 over 15, which is 13 over 15. And that is how we get the answer here. And this is quite straightforward. And then we know late and coming from the car, but our next question is late and be coming from the other one. So which is, we know we have to calculate in the similar way we did here. So let me quickly calculate that for the bicycle as well. Probability of bicycle, given that you are late, so what you have is, we know for bicycle we have 1 over 6 times 1 over 10. You divide it by 2 over 15. So what you get is, you're going to get as 1 over 8. So we are going to fill, this is 1 over 8. Then you are becoming, you're already late and you're walking. So probability of walking when you are late. Similarly, what we have is, it's 1 over 3. I'll actually write the, question from the beginning because it's easy, because it's the same way to save up some time. Still 2 over 15, so it would give us 1 over 8. Okay, this will also give us 1 over 8. Let me erase and rewrite that properly. Okay. Next question is, you're not late and then you're coming in the car. Not late probabilities is still you can go with the same method. So if I just do it here, probability of coming in the car, but you're not late. So what we have is, so we know the not thing, so it's probability C intersection L dash divided by probability of L dash. So what you have is 1/2 times not being late. So here, if he's late, given that you're coming with the car and it's gonna be late, so not late will be 5/4. Not late here would be 9/10. Not late here would be 19/20. So these are the numbers that we actually have. Sorry, my bad here. I wrote the upside down. Okay. Now in this case, we have 1/2, so it was 4/5. You get that value divided by 13/15. It's just a matter of you do the multiplication carefully, which you have 2/5, which is here. Let's fill all the information at very first. Probability of you are going with bicycle, but given that it's not late, so probability of both of them, bicycle and L dash, and you divide it by the L dash. So here also it will be 1 times 9/10 divided by 13/15. So which will again give you similar value of this, which is 9/52. Okay, this is one more answer. So if I quickly, since let's get it added up, I would say this answer is this answer is this. Now if we go to the probability of walk, and given that it's not late, how do you get it is, I'll write in one go, 1/3 times 19/20, you divide it by 13/50. So you would take 19/52. So you got three things according to here. So let me fill the chart. The answers would be here 2/5. Then it's 9/52. Then it's 19/52. Yeah, this is our full chart that we have. Thank you.